You know what? I think MSC is going to be coming for Royal Caribbean very, very soon. And they've already started. Hey everybody, it's Brandon, the Weekend Cruiser, where I go on a weekend cruise just about every weekend. And I am becoming a bigger fan of MSC every single day. I've had the opportunity to be on 3 of their ships now. It's been my home ship for the beginning of 2024. And I'm starting to learn more information about their latest and greatest ship, the MSC World America. Now, if you have paid any attention to MSC, you'll know that they're focused on Royal Caribbean. I think that is their target market on where they're trying to drive customers from and find their next set of guests. Now, when we talk about the MSC World America, they're starting to roll out some of the items that are going to be on this ship. And it's going to be innovative, it's going to be new, it's going to be all the things that other cruise lines are also trying to be. And I love cruise line competition. I think that is one of the best things that are out there. And so the MSC World America is going to come out with 22 decks. She's going to have on it 215,000 gross tons, holding about 6,700 passengers, and she's going to start sailing in April of 2025. Now, if you listen to those stats, you may say, gee, Brandon, that sounds like an Oasis class ship. And you know what? It really does. So if I'm reading it correctly, it's coming from the same exact shipbuilder as the Oasis classes have come from. And so it's going to look and feel like the framework and body of an Oasis class, which again, I think is great. I love competition. But MSC is going to be putting their own spin on it. So if you've seen any of the full ship tours that I've made of MSC, their ships are decorated very differently. So I'm not worried about going on to World America and feeling like I'm on a Royal ship. I'm going to absolutely feel like I am on a MSC ship because they have a very distinct feel to them. And I like it. It is a different, more modern, contemporary kind of look to it, and I like it. They're also trying to be super innovative with their new ship, very similar to what other cruise lines do when they have a new ship come out. Now, the World America, similar to Oasis class, is going to have 7 distinct districts. And these different districts are going to have different innovative products and ways of entertaining you and keeping you interested and enjoying the MSC World America. Now, the first thing that they rolled out this morning, and I think we're going to start seeing a lot more PR releases from MSC, especially around World America, as they try to make this big splash in the Americas market, is the Cliffhanger. Now, this is something that I've personally only seen in Las Vegas. They're bringing some Las Vegas style over to the MSC ships, but they're going to have the Cliffhanger, which is going to be a swing set that's going to take you out over the edge of the railing above the water. And it's going to be about 160 feet up. I don't know if this is going to be on deck 18, deck 22. I don't know that it necessarily makes a difference to me. I can be a little bit of a scaredy cat, so I'm not sure I'm going to be signing up for this. But for those thrill seekers, for those adventurers that are out there, this is something really unique that you'll only be able to do on MSC. So as I mentioned, this is probably the first of many announcements. And as they start coming out with even more of these announcements, I'm curious, what are your thoughts on, is this going to be something that's going to put a dent in Royal Caribbean? And are you going to start considering MSC World America versus going on a Royal Caribbean Oasis class ship? Let me know down in the comments what you think and if there's going to be enough that MSC can do with their innovative approach to their different looking ships that'll be able to draw you over to MSC. All right, everybody, this is Brandon, the Weekend Cruiser. Hoping to see you on a weekend cruise soon.